Hello my dear friends, I hope you all are in a good mood and excited to see another episode of this channel. So today I'm gonna test your use of articles in this video. So as shown 1 to 5, if your score is between 1 to 5, you need to focus on your articles. If your score is between 6 to 10, then well done, keep it up, you're doing great. And if your score is 11 to 17, you're amazing and awesome. And if your score is between 18 to 22, you are our article champion. So without any further delay, let's move into our quiz. In this question and in every question, I'm gonna give you at least 15 seconds and you need to guess it within that range. So here comes the first question. What do you think will it be? I have given you the options. The answer is the second option. I am the only child in the family. Here comes the second question. So what do you think will be the answer? The answer is the second option again. The dog is barking at a stranger. What do you think will this answer be? I hope it's a little different one. So, are you ready? The answer is the second option. I saw an owl in the tree last night. I saw an owl in the tree last night. Dash computer on dash desk is old. What do you think will be the answer? Come on, time's up. The answer is the third option. The computer on the desk is old. She wants dash burger and dash latte. What do you think will be the answer? Come on, guess it. The answer is the third option again. She wants a burger and a latte. Another question. She needs dash dress for dash party. Come on, time's up. The answer is the third option again. She needs a dress for the party. Sam saw dash eagle flying over dash mountain. Time's up. It's the third option again. So, Sam saw an eagle flying over the mountain. Here comes another question. He is dash honest man in dash company. What are the options? What are your guesses? It's the third option again. He is an honest man in the company. Another question. They are going to dash concert in dash park. So, did you get the answer? I'm going to reveal the answer right now. It's the third option again. They are going to a concert in the park. So, between all of these questions, how are you doing? Tell me in the comments. The 10th question. We visited dash museum in dash city. The options are number 1, the, a. Option 2, a, an. Option 3, a, the. Option 4, and the. So what do you think will be the answer? Time's up. Is the third option again. We visited a museum in the city. Another question. He brought dash gift for birthday. The options are option number 1, the, option 2, and, option 3, the, option 4, Time's up again. What do you think will the answer? Come on, try it fast, guess it. It will be the third option again. Oh my. I wonder how many times in a row it's been the third option again. So, he brought a gift for the birthday. The 12th question. Mother made dash cake for dash party. Option number 1, the, option 2, the, and, option 3, the, option 4, and the. So what do you think will be the answer? The answer to the 12th question is the third option again, which is the. My mother made a cake for the party. She found dash wallet in dash park. Option 1, the, option 2, the, option 3, the, option 4, and So, are you ready with an answer? The answer is the third option again, the. She found a wallet in the park. 14th question. Alex put dash flowers in dash vase. Option 1, A, the. Option 2, some, Option 3, the, Option 4, the. I know the option number 2, the sum is not an article, but still for the sense I have added it. So what do you think will the answer? It's the third option again. Alex put the flowers in a vase. Question number 15. She found dash necklace on dash ground. I hope all these are easy for you. Option 1, the, option 2, the, option 3, the, option 4, and Are you ready with an answer? It's the second option. I wonder how many people have guessed the third option, because so many times in the row the third option is the correct answer, but this is the second option now. She found a necklace on the ground. Question number 16. Dash apple a day keeps dash doctor away. Options are option number 1, A, and, option 2, and, the, option 3, and, option 4, the. Are you ready with an answer? This is kind of confusing to me. I hope it's not to you. The answer is the second option, and, the. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. I am so sorry. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, not an doctor or a doctor. 17. He brought dash car and dash house. Option 1, the, option 2, and, option 3, option 4, and, the. Are you ready with an answer? The correct answer is option number 3, He brought a car and a house. So how are you doing? 18. There is dash book on dash table. Option 1. The, a. Option 2. And the. Option 3. The. Option 4. Time's up. The correct answer is the third option, which is the. There is a book on the table. Question number 19. I brought dash guava from market. Option 1. The, a. Option 2. And. Option 3. And the. Option 4. The. Time's up. The correct option is the fourth option. I brought a guava from the market. Question number 20. We have dash meeting with dash headmaster. The options are the, a. Option 2, a. And. Option 3, the. Option 4, the. Have you guessed it? Time's up. The correct answer is the third option. We have a meeting with the headmaster. The answer to the question number 20 is the third option. Question number 21. I am dash best player on dash team. Option 1, the, a. Option 2, the. Option 3, the. Option 4, and a. Have you guessed it? Time's running out. The correct option is the third option, which is the. I am the best player on the team. Question number 22. They stayed in dash hotel near dash beach. Option 1, a. Option 2, and a. Option 3, the. Option 4, the. Have you guessed it? Time's up. The answer to the question number 2 is the, which is the third option. They stayed in a hotel near the beach. So, how did you do? Tell your score in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll bring more and more articles quiz to this channel. So, keep in touch. Sayonara. Bye.